Today I'll show you the best way to clean and maintain your Honeywell Evaporative Air Cooler. You should drain the tank at least once a week to cut down on mineral deposits and extend the life of the Honeycomb cooling pads. First things first, before cleaning your air cooler, switch it to off and unplug it from the power outlet. Move it to a place that you can drain the tank. Take off the cap from the drain plug at the bottom of the unit and empty the tank completely. Refill the water tank with clean water and then drain it completely again. Fill 20 to 25% of your tank with white vinegar, then fill the rest up with water. And run the air cooler on cool mode for 10 to 15 minutes. For models with a detachable water tank, you can clean the tank with dish detergent or a damp cloth directly. Afterward, drain and then refill the water tank with fresh water to the maximum level. Your air cooler is now ready to be used again. To clean the surface of the air cooler, go ahead and use a damp cloth. Never use corrosive chemicals. The carbon dust filter and honeycomb cooling pads are located in the rear or side grills of the air cooler. To clean the filter, remove it from the rear grill of the air cooler. Then pull out the dust filter and wash it under fresh water. You can use a toothbrush to gently scrub away more stubborn dust. You should clean the honeycomb pads at least every 2 months. To clean it, remove the rear or side grill, then take out the screws securing the honeycomb to the rear frame and slide it out. Gently clean the honeycomb with water and a damp cloth. For your air cooler to work best, let the honeycomb pads dry after each use by turning off the cool function 15 minutes before shutting off the unit. If you're putting your air cooler in storage or it won't be used for a while, follow these steps. Make sure all the parts are dry by running the air cooler in fan-only mode for at least 1 hour before storing. Completely drain the water tank and clean it with a damp cloth. Remove the honeycomb media and dust filter from the air cooler and rinse them with fresh water to remove dust and dirt. Once the honeycomb and dust filters are dry, put them back in the air cooler. Store the air cooler in a dry location at room temperature, away from direct sunlight. If you have more questions about Honeywell Evaporative Air Coolers, contact our customer care team.